Thanks for being with us. After rampant post-poll violence in Bengal, BJP is going to hold a nationwide dharna today. The party has said that while they will hold protests across the country, all the COVID protocols are going to be followed by their leaders. BJP President Nadda, who is in Kolkata, is going to be leading the party's agitation. Nadda will also meet the relatives of killed party workers today as well. The protest is coming after BJP claims 6 of their workers were killed in Bengal, while several others, including Shubhendu Adhikari, were attacked by Trinamool Congress goons. BJP also alleged that TMC men burned down their office in Arambagh on the result day. So that's Bengal blood politics. The BJP mega protest is what we are bringing to you after the rampant post-poll violence. BJP is going to be holding a nationwide dharna today. Maushami Singh reporting from Kolkata, bringing us up to speed with the very latest. Maushami, on one hand, the country battles the COVID pandemic on a war footing. On the other side, you also have post-poll violence that is breaking out in Bengal. And in the light of that, the BJP decides to hold a nationwide dharna. What are the opposition parties making of this?
See, swords are drawn on either sides, and even after the results, Chetty, we would have not imagined these scenes outside the BJP office, an entire cordon of Kolkata police, BJP leaders trickling in, a dharna that has been announced nationwide, spearheaded by JP Nadda right here at the Kolkata office, would start simultaneously while Mamata Banerjee would be taking oath. So really, these are optics of a different kind, escalating even after the results. On one hand, you have Mamata Banerjee, who's swearing in for the third time, taking oath for the third time. She has decided that she will keep it a low-key affair, being the only leader to be sworn in today, and the rest would follow tomorrow. But here, BJP leaders there trickling in on the other side at the BJP headquarters. So both the visuals would be rolling out at the same time. On one hand, the TMC is accused the BJP of being a bad loser. On the other hand, the BJP has been alleging that this is a politics of violence, that the TMC has brought in a rule of violence. And in the middle is the governor of West Bengal, who doesn't have a very surely a cordial relationship with Mamata Banerjee, has taken to Twitter to slam the West Bengal government and the police and the administration. So really a very tight and tense situation prevailing politically also right here in Kolkata, Chetty.
All right, Maushami, thanks so much for joining us with the latest details.